Hello guys, this is Eleftheria from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will tell you a couple of tips on how to improve your open rates on emails. I will tell you 5 tips in order to increase your open rates. Email marketing is very important and you should be looking to increase sales every time you sell a campaign. You send a campaign, and also, you're creating a relationship. You have your own community. You have different type of relationship with a group of people that they share with you their emails. So you need to remember those. So first of all, the subject line. Make sure the subject line is simple, is friendly, and it doesn't have any flashing, like messages. Make it simple. If you're making an offer, make sure you make it clear to your subscribers that you have an offer just for them, because it's important for you to increase your open rates and sales. So number 2 is make sure you delete inactive subscribers. Make sure you delete any subscriber that is not opening your emails, or is not clicking on your links, or is not really interested in your emails. You want people to communicate, engage with your emails, and also you need to have, as I say, a more personal relationship. You don't want inactive subscribers. You don't want subscribers that don't open your emails. So just delete those straight away. Number 3, and very important, that a lot of people, they don't know that they use in email marketing, is you need to make sure you send in a simple email rather than email with flashing images or celebrity pictures, so cats playing games, or cats playing with computers. All of those can be quite funny, but it can also be, you might think that you're increasing curiosity, but at the same time, you need to remember that Gmail, Hotmail, AOL tend to put those emails straight into spammy. So you need to make sure you warming up your email list rather than, your subscribers never receive your email list. And then if all the time those emails are going to go to a spam, people are not going to be on your list for long. So it's not really is going to help you, or it's not going to get you anywhere. So you need to remember that. Make sure you send in simple emails, no like flashy images or any celebrity pictures inside, making like some sort of faces in sort of, so to speak. Then the other one is to updating content. If you send in the same emails over and over again, you need to make sure you change it, write new emails, and then send it out to a new email marketing campaign. See what is working for you and what is not working. It's very important for you to understand that email marketing is very is one part of your sales system that is going to help you increase your revenue, and you need to start taking it seriously. Number 5, last tip, is going to be have a survey. Create a mini survey for your subscribers, send it out, ask them a couple of questions in relation to the business, what they like to hear from you, what they don't like, and then you can see what things you need to change. This is a couple of tips for you to remember in order to increase your open rates. And remember, again, email marketing is very important. Is going to help you increase your sales, and it's going to help you increase your open rate. So you need to take it seriously. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave your comment below, and I wish you well.